Alright guys, what's up? It's QuarlWithCode, and in this video we're going to be talking about checkboxes. I'm sure we've all seen a checkbox in an app or two, so I'm not really going to get into explaining what checkbox is. I'm going to show you how to use one in the app. So let's go and start a project. We can call it Tutorial 5. Targeting phone and tablet, API 15, blank activity. And we'll title it Tutorial 5. Alright, so I'm sure if you guys watched my strings.xml video, you all have seen how we can use strings.xml to switch between Spanish and English for something simple like saying I love French fries. So in this video I'm going to kind of make an update to that from scratch, and we're going to be using a checkbox to change from English to Spanish instead of using the button like we did in the previous video. It's better to use a checkbox in this case because then you can check to see if a checkbox is checked, then it can be Spanish, or if it's not checked, the default can be English. So let's go and get started with this app. We can delete Hello World and make a new plain text view, anchor it to the top left, and we'll match parent horizontally and vertically. Let's go and set the gravity to center so that the text is now centered. And change the text to I love French fries. Let's change the text size to 32 dp. And there we go. Alright, so let's go to strings XML. And we're going to make two strings. So string name equals, and let's call it English fries. This is going to replace the text that I put as a placeholder. So we're just gonna make it the same text. I love French fries. And now let's do the same thing but in Spanish and give it a name, Spanish fries. And I love French fries in Spanish is Me encantan las papas fritas. Okay, so let's go back to our main activity. And instead of writing that block of text, let's just reference the string XML. So we do @string / and then the name of the string we want to reference. So English fries. And there we go. It still says I love French fries. So now let's go on and drag a checkbox to the bottom center. Let's make the text size 32 dp. And let's go back to strings XML so we can get some good practice with that. So string name equals, and we can just call this Spanish, and this text will be Spanish. Alright, so let's do @string / and then Spanish. And there we go. We have the basic layout for our app. So now let's go to the main activity.java and get started with some code. We don't need these two methods. Let's reference some member variables. So we have a text view and a checkbox. So text view and checkbox. Okay. So now let's go on and set those variables equal to our text box and to our text view and checkbox. So text view equals, we got cast as a text view, find view by ID, r.id, and text view. Let's go on and check our IDs real quick. So we have text view and checkbox. Awesome. So m checkbox equals cast as a checkbox, find view by ID, r.id, check box capital V. Yeah. Okay. So we have our checkbox and our text view. So let's go on and set an on-click listener for the checkbox and create a new on-click listener. Inside the on-click method, we're going to say if it's clicked and true. So if m checkbox dot is checked, m text view dot set text, r dot string dot Spanish fries. Else m text view dot set text, r dot string English fries. Alright, everything looks good. I already have Genymotion open, so let's go on and run the app. Okay. Alright. And let's see, it says, I love French fries. Check it. Me encantan las papas fritas. Uncheck it. I love French fries. Alright guys, so this has just been a basic example of what checkbox could potentially be used for. It can be used for changing the background color like we've been doing in the past videos. You can use it to set a bunch of features within an app. So, thank you for watching. If you have any trouble, please comment in the comment section. If something is about to explode or you just want to talk, please email me at QuarlWithCode@gmail.com. Again, thank you for watching and please subscribe.